Sarah's vlog. Hope you like the video. Enjoy.
Good morning, YouTube listeners. I'm on my way again to my Goodwill, my usual Sunday errands and walk. Anyway, I like to talk in my car when I'm by myself. I turn off the music. My husband is not here to tell me jokes. So my quiet time is in the car. Anyway, I thought about talking about my retirement experience. I've been retired for 6 months. And for a while I was depressed. I didn't know what to do with my free time. And so I've been asking my relatives, my friends, what they do on their free time. And I learned some of them goes to church every day in the morning. Some will just stay home, watch TV, lunchtime, eat, go back, watch TV. Some are taking care of their spouses. Some walks in the mall. Some goes to the gym. So I was thinking, what am I going to do? Some of those things I don't like to do, especially walking in the mall, because I might get tempted to buy something. And I'm done with gym, because I used to go to the gym and I had a trainer for a long time, and I got tired of that. And I used to be a dancer, and that one I could still get it back as my activities. But I've decided that I would wake up in the morning, like 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, Monday to Friday, work in the yard, take care of my succulents, take care of my weeding, watering, whatever needs to be done in the garden. That seems to make my day happy. And on weekends, my husband and I usually spend some time together. We go to the winery, we go visit my relatives, we go to the flea market, go Goodwill hunting, put gas in my car, and car wash. So that's basically will fill up my day during what I call retired life. Pretty much I'm busy every day. Well, I just started getting busy actually in July, because I was kind of depressed when I came back from my road trip after I retired. I didn't know what to do with myself, and I don't want to be just lying down in bed not doing anything. That keeps me going. Hopefully my life is fulfilled with all those things I'm doing. I am happy now. I'm no longer depressed. I'm no longer thinking of the income that I lost. Because when you're retired, let's face it, financial is an issue because you lost income, but you also have retirement and you adjust to your income, you adjust to your needs, you know. So that's I'm pretty sure a lot of people are in the same boat as I am. If you're not in the same boat and you are one of the people that are rich and wealthy and can afford to go on a cruise every month, well, good for you. But I'm happy. I'm really happy. But I have thought of retiring somewhere in the tropics. Tropical island. A beautiful island, I think. So I'm really thinking hard whether I should pursue it. I think I will try maybe for a year, and if I'm not happy, then I come back in the States, right? There's always a choice for me. I'm not sure if a lot of my friends know that I left the Philippines when I just turned 13. I basically grew up in a U.S. territory in America. But because of my skin, I'm always asked, where are you from in the Philippines? So I do tell them where my parents are from. But I barely remember a lot of stuff about the Philippines. But I'm so lucky that I can speak Ilocano and Tagalog. From my high school friends. Because when I was going to high school in Guam, a lot of my friends were Filipinos. So they were speaking to me and I learned it. A lot of kids, when they leave the Philippines, even when they're 18, they forget the language. But I'm so lucky I never forgot to speak my dialect Ilocano and my Filipino language. But sometimes my husband laughs at me because I don't speak the correct Tagalog or correct Ilocano. But anyway, hey, as long as they understand me, I'm okay. So in my car, when I'm talking on my cell phone, it gives me joy. Like I'm talking to somebody. Because let's face it, a lot of the old people, they live on their own. Some are, and I'm lucky I still have someone with me, my husband. But my kids are all grown and they have their own family, and they are very far from us. We have to ride the plane to visit them or drive our car. And the same thing with my siblings. We all live far apart. We live all over the US. One lives in Hawaii, one lives in Guam, one lives in California, two lives in Houston. So our siblings are all over the place. Unlike some other families, they are in one place. They're lucky. Those people are really lucky. Because of our jobs, when we first came to the US, that's where we found our resident. Because let's face it, we come to the US to work, find our job, find our dream job. Ever since I retired, my life has also been slow. What I mean by that is when I drive slow now. In fact, one time I was going to Goodwill, and of course there was traffic, construction, and I was being followed by a cop. But I didn't notice him until later. So anyway, this is what happened. I was on my way to Goodwill again, and there was a construction and traffic, so I was letting everybody cut in front of me. Must have let 5 cars cut in front of me, because now that I'm retired, I'm not driving so fast and driving so slow. Sometimes I'm under the speed limit. So anyway, on the 6th car that I was trying to cut in front of me, the cop honked his horn. He was upset that I was letting everybody cut in front of me. So I said, uh-oh. So, and then I realized he was a cop. So that's it. I try to drive under the speed limit unless I'm in a hurry to go somewhere, or if I feel like it. But most of the time I'm following the speed limit now. And when I was working, I was always in a rush. I don't know why. So anyway, I think it comes with age. As you grow older, you tend to slow down on everything. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat over Chinese restaurant. I'd like to get even one of these. Nice, pretty.
Okay. If you like the video of my grandma, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. Goodbye.